friends, I'm Broccoli. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We have another video about how to draw an airplane. We're going to draw the Delta Airlines. In Spanish, I love you in the Delta. So let's get started. Let's draw the airplane like this. Like this. Let's make a window. Now we're going to fix this part. We can put it a little bit bigger, where we can spell Delta on the plane. Okay, but the plane will be much longer. Next, let's make the plane like this. Okay, next we're going to now I'm going to draw the tail of the airplane because it's going to be so bigger. Okay, now let's draw the wings of the plane. Wings might be here. Okay, now I'm going to paint it, the Delta plane. Okay, now I'm going to put the arrow. Okay, now I'm going to spell Delta. I'm going to put D, E, so it's going to spell Delta. It's Delta. L T A Delta. Okay, now I'm going to paint the. Now I'm going to make the windows of the airplane and the door. The door's right here. Now I'm going to make windows. Okay, now I'm going to make the arrow on the back. Now I'm going to put it like this. It's Delta Airlines. Okay. It's finished with that. Okay. Now I'm going to just paint the plane. For the air, I use red. For the arrow, red. Okay, red again. For the tails, dark blue. Because it's Delta Airlines. Now I'm going to paint the windows with black. That's right. Black, there it is. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.